Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start developing secure applications with GitHub. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by creating a GitHub account if you don't already have one. Visit GitHub's official website and click on Sign Up. Fill in the necessary details to set up your account. Once your account is created, navigate to the home page. Click on the plus icon in the upper right corner to create a new repository. Enter a name for your repository that reflects the project. Add a brief description to help others understand its purpose. Choose whether you want the repository to be public or private. Select Initialize this repository with a README for easier project management. Click on Create Repository to finalize your setup. Next, let's enable two-factor authentication for added security. Go to your account settings and find the Security section. Follow the prompts to set up two-factor authentication using an app or SMS. Now, install Git on your local machine if you haven't yet. Download Git from the official website and follow the installation instructions. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt. Clone your repository to your local environment using the command git clone followed by your repository URL. Navigate into your clone directory with the command cd your repository name. Start developing your application by creating necessary files and folders. Use a development environment or text editor of your choice. When writing code, prioritize security by validating inputs and sanitizing data. Implement secure authentication mechanisms, such as OAuth or JWT. Regularly commit your code using git commit your message to save changes. Push your changes to GitHub with git push origin main. To further enhance your application's security, consider integrating GitHub Actions. Set up automated security checks in the workflow settings of your repository. Explore GitHub's security features like Dependabot for vulnerability alerts. Monitor your repository regularly for any suggested updates or risks. Finally, collaborate with others by opening issues or pull requests. Encourage code reviews to ensure security best practices are followed. Continue learning about secure development practices through online resources. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.